Hello, today I'm going to cover part 3 of section 3.2. Today's all going to be about angles, perimeter, and area. I'm not going to read through this next section. I'll let you read through it in the PDF of the notes available on Canvas as I slowly scroll through them. But these are all the information and or formulas you may need to do these types of problems. Okay, so example 12. Suppose angle A measures 26 degrees. Find the complement and the supplement of A. Well, complement means it adds up to 90. So 26 degrees plus its complement has to equal 90. So in order to find the complement, we subtract 26 from both sides. So C is 64 degrees. That's the complement. Now the supplement means it adds up to 180. So we get 26 plus the supplement equals 180. So we subtract 26 from both sides. Again, and we get S equals 154 degrees. So the complement was 64 degrees and the supplement is 154 degrees. So that's the key part when doing angle problems. Example 13. A right triangle has one angle measuring 35 degrees. What is the measure of the missing angle? So a right triangle means that it has a right angle somewhere. Let's say my right angle is right there. That means this angle is 90 degrees. Then the problem's also telling us it has an angle measuring 35 degrees. So let's say it's this one. Then what we're looking for is this top angle, X degrees. Now there's two ways to do this problem. You can use that the measure of all three angles in a triangle add up to 180, or you can use the measure of the two opposite angles in a right triangle add up to 90. I'm partial to the 180 because it works for all triangles, not just right triangles. So I'll go X plus 35 plus 90 equals 180. So then we get X plus 125 equals 180. Subtract 125 from both sides. We get that the missing angle, X, is 55 degrees. Example 14. Find the area of a triangle with base 18 inches and height 11 inches. Oh, we have some triangle. Don't quite know what it looks like. I'll just draw a random triangle. That was terrible. There we go. So the base, let's say, is this. So that's 18 inches. And then the height, which is this measurement, would be 11 inches. Now I want to find the area of this triangle. Well, the area formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that's 1/2 times 18 times 11. Well, half of 18 is 9. So this is 9 times 11, so which is 99. So the area of the triangle is 99 inches squared. And that's because we took inches times inches to give us the inches squared. Example 15. The roof of a community center is in the shape of an isosceles triangle with a base of 89 feet. So we have a community center with a roof. Let's say that looks like that. Don't mind my drawing. Isosceles means that this side and this side are the same length. And then it's telling us that the base of the roof is 89 feet. The perimeter of the roof is 281 feet. How long is each of the equal sides of the roof? Well, I don't know what this side is, so I'll call that X. I also don't know what this side is, but since it's isosceles, it has to be the same as the other side, so that'll be X as well. And then we have 89. Well, the perimeter of any shape is just the sum of all the sides. So X plus 89 has to equal the perimeter, which was 281. Combine like terms, we get 2x plus 89 equals 281. Subtract 89 from both sides. We get 2x equals 192. And then divide by 2. We get x equals 96 feet. Example 16. The perimeter of a rectangle atrium is 220 inches. So we have a rectangle. And the perimeter, again, the sum of all the sides is 220 inches. The length of the atrium is 4 times the width. So I don't know what the width is, so let's call that W. But then the length is 4 times that. So that means the length is 4W. And since I'm looking for the perimeter of this rectangle, I need to know all 4 sides, not just 2 of them. Well, these 2 sides are the same, so that must be W. And the other 2 sides are also the same, so this must be 4W. So then the perimeter of this drawing is W plus 4W plus W plus 4W, and that must equal 220. Combining like terms, we get 10W equals 220. We divide by 10. We get W equals 22. Now, a lot of students are tempted to be done with the problem right now because they solved for W. But this problem asks us to find the length and the width. All we've done so far is find the width. So the length is 4 times 22, which is 88 inches in inches. So the length is 88 inches and the width is 22 inches. And that is it for part 3 of section 3.2.